Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen table. We're going to work on some math now, so you need your chubby books, and we're looking at page 463. Now, so far we've talked about fractions. We've always talked about them in like an object, like a square or a triangle or a shape of some sort. But fractions don't have to be just shapes. They can be sets of items. And I think I showed you a few of these in the beginning because I wasn't drawing very well, but let's think. On the top of page 463, it says, fractions can come in equal parts of a set or a group. So remember he talked about if I asked you what fraction of the students in our class were boys, you would say 8/15 because we have 15 students and 8 of you are boys. Okay, so these are the boys. If I asked you which fraction of the class was girls, the 15 is still the denominator because we still have 15, but we have 7 girls. So the fraction of girls in the class is 7/15. So it doesn't have to be a shape, it can be a set of things. Okay, let's look at page 463 and let's look at number 2. All right, remember, we always write the denominator first, okay? So if we look at number 2, we have 2 circles. So 2 is going to be our denominator. And they want to know what part of that is colored. Well, one of them is colored. So 1/2 of the set is colored. Makes sense, right? All right, let's look at number 3. Remember, always do the denominator first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamonds. That's my denominator, and 2 of those are colored. So 2/5 of that fraction or that set is colored, okay? All right, let's go over to the next page, page 464, and let's look at a couple over there. All right, it says here, color the part of each to match the fraction. Okay, so they're giving us 8 squares. So 8 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And they want 5/8 of those to be shaded. So I have 8 squares, that's my denominator. Now I need to shade in 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now 5/8 of those squares are shaded. Okay, all right, let's try one more. The next one, we have the 2 party hats. All right, party hat number 1, party hat number 2. A little on top, good. And they want 1/2 of them to be colored. All right, well, since we have 2 and they want 1 of them to be colored, now 1/2 of the hats are colored. Okay, good. All right, let's look at the word problem. It says, use a problem-solving strategy. Joel drew 12 circles. He colored 2 circles blue and 7 red. What fractional part of the set is left to color? All right, so there's a couple steps here and they're trying to trick us. So the first thing we have to do is draw the 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so there's my first step, okay? Then it says that 2 of them are blue. So this one is blue, and this one is blue. Okay, then it says that 7 of them are red. So red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they want to know what fraction of our circles are not colored. All right, so what's our denominator going to be? 12, because we have 12 circles, correct. How many of those circles are not colored? 1, 2, 3. So 3/12 of those circles are not colored. That's your fraction. Okay? You guys are going to finish these 2 pages and you're going to send me workbook page 134 for your exit card. Don't forget, we're going to be having a Zoom class today. We're going to use our cards to make sure you have them all cut out and ready to go. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.